This tutorial will introduce you to the School AI Assistance tool. To access School AI Assistance from your Launchpad, you would select Assistance at the top. And what these are pre-programmed chatbots to help you with a specific topic. So there's about 8 or 9, and there's everything from a co-teacher, which is an all-purpose education tool, to a curriculum coach, Common Core expert, essay grading assistant, digital literacy coach, which is kind of ironic. Maybe it might replace me someday. I don't think that's really true, but if you are having trouble with any sort of technology or want to learn more, you can use this chatbot. There's a really cool field trip coordinator, which I tried out. But really, to get started, you can open up any one of these and you would select chat. And maybe I need some help to help plan some end of the year summer activities in math and ELA for a grade 4 class. Each activity should be about 20 minutes. And what's nice, if I move my camera, is, if I turn off my camera, is that any of these interactions that you've had with this particular chatbot will save here. So you can see I asked it about new picture books for 24 to 25. I asked about getting to know you projects for 4th grade. Perhaps I'm planning for August. And then also some end of the year morning meeting activities. And you can see now that I bring you back here, it's done some thinking and it is generating educational activities for the end of the year about summer. Okay, and so you can continue to interact and you can continue to interact. So maybe you want to, I like the escape room idea, but can you provide me some clues about New Hampshire history, U.S. geography, and writing detailed sentences. All right, and now that it's done generating those clues for that time travel escape room, you can click on the 3 little dots and you can copy that to your clipboard and you can paste it into a Google document if you want to continue working with that. If I bring you back to the assistants, we can try out something like the digital literacy coach. You can say, create a rubric about a presentation about New Hampshire geography. All right, and so I asked it to create a rubric about a presentation with about New Hampshire geography, and what the chatbot did for me is it gave me a basic rubric. And again, it's a place to get started with your teaching tools. And you can also scroll down to the bottom and you can copy this to your clipboard and you can rework it in a Google document to meet your needs. And let's go back for one more assistant, and perhaps we want to try that field trip coordinator. And maybe we are a 2nd grade field, I'll hide this little menu, trip, 2nd grade field trip to the Hampshire State House. And you can see now it's going to start getting you brainstorming about what to do for a field trip. I think if you are planning a field trip, a lot of our schools already have those things in place. But what was really cool about this was you can ask it for extension activities or extension activities to do for a child who might stay back from the field trip, or pre-activities to do before your New Hampshire State House field trip, which I thought were pretty cool. So this is the Assistance tab. And like I said, these are 9 chatbots that are pre-programmed to help you in education. They work fairly similar to the tools items. So you can kind of use these two in tandem, especially if you watch the previous tutorial. And as always, reach out for help.